Welcome back to Decor. Today we're diving into DIY spring vintage decorating projects that add charm and personality, perfect for giving your home a fresh seasonal update without losing that cozy old world feel. If you love vintage styling, thrifted treasures, and creative DIYs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below which project you want to try first. Let's get started with some charming spring inspiration. First, let's create a vintage floral centerpiece using thrifted glass jars. Look for old mason jars, small perfume bottles, or even mismatched vases from secondhand shops. Clean them well, then wrap the neck with lace ribbon or twine for a soft farmhouse touch. Add faux spring flowers like tulips or wildflowers, and place them on a tray for an effortless vintage table display. Next is a simple but beautiful project, DIY distressed picture frames. Grab any plain wooden frame and lightly sand the edges for an aged look. Then paint it in pastel shades like soft mint, pale pink, or creamy ivory. Once dry, rub a little brown wax or antique glaze into the corners to make it look like a true vintage heirloom. Now let's make spring-themed vintage book stacks. Find old hardcover books with worn covers, then stack them neatly in groups of 3 or 4. Tie them with a ribbon, lace, or even a thin leather strap. You can top the stack with a small candle, a tiny bird figurine, or a mini vase for a perfect spring shelf accent. One of the cutest spring DIYs is a vintage-inspired floral wreath. Use a grapevine wreath base and attach faux flowers in soft colors like cream, lavender, and blush. Add small greenery for freshness, and finish with a ribbon bow for a romantic vintage touch. This wreath looks beautiful on doors, above mantels, or even hung on an old window frame. Let's create a DIY teacup candle, which is perfect for vintage spring vibes. Find a chipped or mismatched teacup from the thrift store and use it as your candle container. Melt wax, add fragrance like vanilla or floral scents, and place a wick in the center. Once it hardens, you'll have a charming handmade candle that feels like a vintage boutique piece. Now it's time for a classic vintage decor upgrade, painting terracotta pots with antique charm. Take small terracotta pots and paint them in creamy white, pale blue, or sage green. Then gently sand parts of the surface to create a worn, aged effect. Add spring flowers or small herbs, and you instantly get a vintage cottage garden look. Another beautiful DIY is making a spring tray vignette. Use a thrifted metal tray, wooden serving tray, or even an old baking pan. Arrange items like a small vase of flowers, a candle, and a decorative bird or bunny figure. Layer in a vintage doily underneath to soften the look and create a cozy spring focal point. Let's add personality with DIY vintage fabric bunting. Cut small triangle pieces from floral fabric scraps, old linens, or thrifted pillowcases. Sew or glue them onto a long ribbon, then hang them across a window, shelf, or fireplace mantel. This project adds instant spring joy and makes your room feel warm and welcoming. Next is a simple wall decor idea, framed vintage botanical prints. You can print botanical art or use pages from old books and calendars. Place them inside thrifted frames or clip them onto a rustic board. These prints give a timeless spring feeling and look especially charming in kitchens, hallways, or cozy reading corners. Now let's create a DIY vintage birdcage display. If you find an old birdcage at the thrift store, clean it gently and place foam moss, small flowers, and fairy lights inside. You can also add a small decorative bird figurine for extra charm. Set it on a side table or hang it near a window for a dreamy spring accent. A lovely spring project is a lace-covered vase makeover. Take a plain glass vase and wrap lace fabric around the outside using glue or double-sided tape. Add a ribbon detail at the top and place fresh or faux flowers inside. The lace texture gives a romantic vintage feel and looks perfect for spring dining tables. Let's make a DIY antique style sign. Use a small wood board, paint it in a faded cream color, then lightly distress the edges. Add hand-painted words like Spring Market, Fresh Flowers, or A Garden Blooms. This kind of sign adds personality and looks amazing leaned against a wall or layered into a shelf display. Another fun spring DIY is turning an old window frame into wall decor. If you find an old frame, clean it and keep the aged paint for character. Hang a small wreath in the center or attach mini botanical prints behind the panes. This creates a beautiful vintage statement piece that instantly elevates your space. And finally, let's wrap up with a vintage spring centerpiece using a basket. Choose a small wicker basket, add soft fabric or lace inside, and fill it with faux flowers, pastel eggs, or greenery. This is a perfect seasonal display for entry tables or coffee tables, and it brings a warm spring charm into your home. Thank you for watching today's DIY spring vintage decorating projects. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a like, and comment below which DIY idea was your favorite or what theme you want next. See you in the next Decor video.